Okay. I have to ask, are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Yeah, boy.
Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. I've got like little wings today. Just might take flight in this video. I'm so grateful that you're here, and if you want 2 easy methods that you can use to create day in the life vlogs on TikTok, then just keep watching. For our first method, to really achieve that aesthetic and vibey vlog style, here's what you're gonna do. Step number 1, we need to pick the song for our vlog. So I'm gonna go up here into my sound library and click on add sound. And then I'm just gonna pick this song here that is recommended to me. So I'm gonna click on that and click the check mark. And there you can see my song is queued up and ready to go. And then before you get started, make sure you have the right length of video selected, because if you want a little bit longer vlog, you're gonna wanna make sure the 60 seconds or 3 minutes is selected. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna do 15 seconds. So now that our song is ready to go, we're going to start and stop for every beat of the song, or however many clips we want for our vlog. So I'm gonna start recording here, and you can see the little white breaks here in my video, and those are each representing different clips of the vlog. So these are ultimately how many clips I'm going to have of my entire vlog. And what's really nice about this method is we're doing all of the hard work up front, and it makes it so when we're going through and filming our day or our routines, it's all very easy. So the actual footage that I'm recording here doesn't matter. We just want to make sure that we have all of these different breaks so we can go in and film our video throughout the day. You can go through and film to the end of the song, or just film until wherever you want to stop recording. Next, what I really love to do is click the check mark and then click next, and I actually will save this to my drafts, because sometimes TikTok can be a little finicky, and if you're editing, sometimes it does crash. It is annoying, or at least it has done for me, and so you'll lose all the progress that you have up until you saved it to your draft. So that's kind of like your save method, and so I always like to do that right off the bat just to make sure I have all of those breaks saved, and then I can go in and prepare my video to actually turn it into a day in the life vlog. Next, I'm gonna go into the adjust clips, and here you can see all of my different breaks that are timed perfectly to the beat, and I know exactly how many clips I need to get for the video. What I'm gonna do is select this very first clip here, and down at the bottom, you'll see where it says start over. I'm going to click on that, and now I can actually record my clips for my vlog. So if I press record here, or I can use the timer, I can then record clips for my vlog. And as you can see here, the clips are automatically going to stop because it's only gonna fill the time of your original clip. So then I can press the check mark here, and you can see it redid my very first clip. And then I can go here on the second clip and repeat the process. So click start over, and then I can record something, and it's going to fill it to the length of the clip. Click the check mark, and then go into the other clips. I do want to note this method does not allow you to upload a video when you click start over. So this is purely for just recording purposes. So if you have a bunch of clips that you want to record, this method is going to work perfect. But if you have a bunch of clips that are already recorded, then that's where method number 2 is really going to help you guys out. But this method truly makes it so you can complete vlogs in a matter of minutes instead of hours. From this point, you could add captions or text overlays, stickers, and then click save up here in the top right hand corner, and your video is ready to go. Now, if you want to upload a video with maybe a voiceover, or you're using clips that you've already recorded on your camera roll, then let's move on to method number 2. When I create these videos, what I'm gonna do is click upload here on my create screen, and I'm gonna go through and select the videos that I've already taken on my camera roll instead of recording them on TikTok like I would do for method number 1. So let's go ahead and select these clips here, and then I'm going to click next. And what's nice is you can select multiple at once, and if you want to, you can also filter this on just videos, so then you don't have to go through all of your photos as well. You can just look at your videos, and then I'm just gonna wait for TikTok to upload these clips in. And don't worry about the length of the videos, we can adjust that later. So now I'm gonna go into the TikTok editor, which is adjust clips. I can reorder these clips if I would like to, so I can do that by holding a clip and then I can drag and adjust it here on the timeline. Now, obviously, if you're doing some sort of day in the life vlog or you're vlogging a certain routine, I would recommend having it all in order. That does make it for a very easy viewing experience, but you can reorder your clips there. So now what we're gonna do, normally I would select the very first clip of my video, but this first clip doesn't actually have audio. So if I go here into this second clip, just so I can show you guys, what we wanna do is click on volume here, and I wanna drag that down to 0%. Then, to make this really easy, I can click apply to all, and it's going to go and mute all of my clips, which is gonna make it really easy in the future. And then I'm just gonna click save. And at any point, if you wanna bring the audio back from a certain clip, you can do that by selecting it, clicking on volume, and bringing that volume back up, which is really nice. So now that we've gotten the volume taken care of, I can then adjust the length of my clips. So if this clip is really long, I can drag it here from the back and make it smaller. You can see the time decreasing there. I can also select this clip and make it shorter, and I can preview my video here by pressing play and watching the video all the way through. So now that everything is set and ready to go, I'm going to click save. And I also want to be able to add a voiceover onto my video. So I'm going to click this drop down menu, and I'm going to click on audio editing here on the right hand side. And here you'll be able to see a button that says record. So I can press and hold that down, and you can see with the white bar moving, it is now recording my voice. And then once I let go, it's going to drop it, and I can preview the audio here. If I want to, I can delete it and start over. And I'm just holding and pressing as I record, and I can do a voiceover of my clips directly into TikTok, which is fabulous. I can then go and skip it to another portion, record, and so I can do voiceovers for one part, have a break where there's no voiceovers, and then add it in. So that's a really easy way to add voiceovers into your clips when doing these day in the life vlogs or routines. And what I would also recommend is making sure you get into a space where your voice is going to sound good. So making sure you don't have a lot of background noise, or maybe you go into a small closet or small room so you don't have a lot of echo. Just something to keep in mind when you're going and recording your voice. But you can do that here on TikTok at the end for your vlogs. And then once I'm done here, I'm going to click save, and I can go back here and preview my video. Again, I can add text from this point, I can add stickers, things like that. I can also add sound if I want to by clicking up here at the top. And then once I'm happy with the final product, click next, and then I can save it as a draft or post it. So there you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys want another look at how to create those fast-paced TikToks with a lot of different transitions, then I would highly recommend checking out this video here. It's definitely worth your while. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.